Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make an image as your website background. So you want to use an image as your website background. So I'm going to show you how to do that so that you go from there. So here is how you can do that in an easy step by step. So let's say I want to use an image for the background of this website here. So let's go and visit this website here and see how it looks like first. So here is the website. So I want to use image for the background here. Okay. So the content is going to show up on top of the background. So let's go ahead and do that. To do that, you want to go to customize. You can go from here. So the content will show up as on top of the image. So to do that, you want to go from it. You can go from here, or you want to go from your dashboard. You click dashboard area. Then you go to appearance. From appearance, you go over to appearance, then you go to customize. It's the same thing. So click customize. So here as the customize area, you can adjust anything from here. You can adjust your theme. You can change your theme here. You can adjust the site title here. You can add your site title here, the site tagline, the site tagline and logos of your website in here. You can also adjust the colors of your website. So maybe you want to adjust the color of the background or the color of the header or the color of your content of the text. You can adjust it here. Here, the header, you can adjust the header, the image, the header image here. You can adjust the menu here. Here is the background here. You can tweak the widgets here. You can set up your home page, how you want your home page to look like here, and so on and so forth. So I want to use image as background of my website. So let's go ahead here and use image as the background. So background image. So I'm going to select image. So I'm going to click select image here. So as I don't want to use this one. So I have an image on my computer to use. So I'm just gonna install it. I'm just gonna download it to this area here. So let's just drag it and drop it here. Right there. So now that I've downloaded the image that I want to use for the background, so I'm just gonna name it. If I like, I can name it the name of my website here. So to make it more CEO friendly, to make it more optimized, so I can just gonna name it the background image. So now it is CEO optimized. So let's go ahead and choose this image here. Choose image. So you want to click down here, choose image. So now the image has been inserted. So this is the background of the website now. So as you can see right here, the image has been used as the for the background. So this is the image right there as the background. So that's how you change how you use image for the background of your website. You can use any image that you like. I just want this type of image in white color, and it is to be easy for my readers to see my content. So I use the white background image for my website there. So that's how you do it. You go to your background image area and add the background here. So let's say you want to remove the background, you can easily remove it from here, and that's it. So here, preset. You can also adjust the preset of the. Let's say you want it to free the screen. Just use it like that, and it's free the screen. Let's say you want it to be repeat, so and it's gonna repeat. Then let's say you want to customize it. You want to use the customize, and it's gonna customize itself. So I want to make it to repeat. So that is it. And when you finish, you are going to hit scroll with page. You also want, if you want it to scroll with page, you're going to tick here. So as you can see, that's how you do. So when you finish, you are going to hit publish, and that is it. Click here, and let's see how our website looks like now. Let's see. So as you can see, the images look great on my website. So this is the type of image you can use. You don't want to use image that will hinder your visitors to read your content. So you want to use an image that is very that make it very easy for your readers to consume your content. So you want to use an image like of this one here. So this is the image for my background here, my background image, and it look great. So that's how you do it. If you have any question or anything to say about this video here, let me know down below. Drop all your comments down below and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.